Have you ever wondered why stretching is such an important part of fitness and overall health? Whether you're an athlete, a gym enthusiast, or simply looking to stay active, stretching can help improve flexibility, enhance mobility, reduce muscle tension, and lower injury risk. In this video, we'll explore the main types of stretching and how each one can benefit your body. Stretching is the process of lengthening muscles and tendons to improve flexibility and increase your range of motion. Regular stretching can improve joint mobility and reduce muscle stiffness. Regular stretching can enhance athletic performance and support faster recovery. Regular stretching can also promote relaxation and stress relief. Static stretching involves moving a muscle to a comfortable position and holding it for 15 to 60 seconds. Common static stretches include hamstring stretches, calf stretches, and quadricep stretches. Static stretching is best performed after exercise when your muscles are warm. Static stretching helps improve long-term flexibility and reduce muscle tightness. Dynamic stretching uses controlled movements to prepare your body for physical activity. Examples of dynamic stretching include leg swings, arm circles, walking lunges, and high knees. Dynamic stretching increases blood flow, raises muscle temperature, and improves mobility. This makes dynamic stretching an excellent choice before workouts, sports, or any exercise session. Ballistic stretching uses bouncing or rapid movements to push muscles beyond their normal range of motion. While ballistic stretching may improve flexibility for some athletes, it carries a higher risk of injury. Because of this, ballistic stretching is generally recommended only for experienced athletes under proper supervision. PNF, or proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, is one of the most effective methods for increasing flexibility. PNF often involves a partner and combines stretching with muscle contractions. The process includes stretching a muscle, contracting it against resistance, then relaxing and stretching further. PNF stretching can quickly improve flexibility and range of motion. Active stretching uses your own muscles to hold a stretch without assistance. Passive stretching relies on an external force, such as a partner, gravity, or a strap. Active stretching helps improve strength and control, while passive stretching allows deeper relaxation and flexibility gains. Each type of stretching serves a unique purpose in your fitness routine. Dynamic stretching is ideal before exercise, and static stretching is best after exercise. PNF stretching offers powerful flexibility improvements, while ballistic stretching should be used with caution. By including the right stretching techniques in your routine, you can move better, recover faster, and improve your overall fitness and well-being. For more health, fitness, and wellness guides, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.